Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. And today I am sharing with you some handmade ideas in conjunction with two items from the thrift store. Since I only have two items from the thrift store, I decided to combine them together with these. So I'm going to share with you my ideas, and let's start here with this beautiful and unique piece that I found at the thrift store. Look at that. I had not seen this before. Look at how funny that is. Two carpenter ants carrying a piece of watermelon, and it's a candle holder. Look at that. I love items like this. I love to find stuff like this. This is unique. And I paid $2 for it. Let's see, what does it say there? Yankee Candle. Oh, so it's Yankee Candle that makes it. Ants watermelon. This is so cute. Look at that. I'm definitely going to make an outdoor creation using this piece. Look at that. Very nice piece for $2. And then I also found this for $2. So these are copper wires. I'm not even sure what I'm going to be using these for, but they look nice to me when I saw them. Look at all those colors, you know. Even if I use them, I can always use and repurpose the little roll. So let's see when I have to use this. When do I need it? For now, I don't need it. That's the bad part. You go to these thrift stores and then you end up coming home with something you don't need. But I will use it. It won't go to waste. So then I have some handmade ideas here. I have a kitchen counter here. I have a little stove. I have a table, a lamp, a floor lamp, a fireplace, and an ironing board. So these are just things that are like pretty easy to make, you know. So at one point I needed a counter for a kitchen that I was making. So I took a toothpaste box. This is a toothpaste box that I covered with tape. It's a certain type of tape. I forgot the name of it. It's film tape. You see the lines on that tape? It's film tape, and it makes it look nice too. So anyway, so I added cutouts of playing cards from a deck of cards. And those, oh my God, those have so much potential. You can use these as backsplashes in kitchens, tabletops, cut out these diamonds, make portraits, you know, paintings out of them, you know, wall art. And I also had these little magnet pieces, polka dot pieces, and it matched the colors of the cards. So I figure, you know what, same exact blue, so let's use it here. And then I had some double-sided thick tape, and I placed it along the side at the bottom, and that's it. So you see, this is a toothpaste box. So then I also have here, let me remove this piece. This here is a ceramic piece. I believe that it's a napkin holder, but I'm flipping it and I'm placing a piece of metal there, but it's actually a strip of staples from a copy machine. They come like that, they're flat. So this piece, this lid of a gift box happened to fit right over. Look at that, perfect size, just a little bit bigger, so it fits on perfectly. So then I added those circles and the back piece, which is just cardboard, black and white cardboard, and that's it. I was short of stoves and I needed a stove for one of my creations, so that's why I ended up making that. And then here, this is just this must have been from a charm. You see the little hole there? It wasn't an ornament. I think it was like from a necklace, and it used to be my mom's. May she rest in peace. She used to like sunflowers. So this is the tabletop for this table, and this table is actually a candle holder, but I see it as a table. So this is like the easiest. This is just an idea, you need a little table. Then I made an ironing board just out of hardware pieces that aren't being used. That's all I used. Like those two pieces, long pieces, happen to fit in there. They just happen to fit in there. So I just crisscrossed them. It doesn't look the best. Just some tape holding it. I gotta do a better job at that. And then I cut out a piece of the shape of an ironing board, and I put some tissue on it. That's a piece of tissue. Looks like fabric. But that's it. But I could do better than that. It's just that that's the way I did it at the time, and it's been in one of my sewing rooms forever. And then here we have a fireplace with some little blocks of wood glued together, some stones on top, oops, and some little rocks that I glued to it. So I made a fireplace. So these are items that I made a while back. The latest one is this one, the stove. So yes, there are so many ideas, so many handmade ideas. So I hope that you have enjoyed these few items. And thank you so much for watching.